Hi everyone, welcome to your Tuesday morning tune-up with this Earth Koshi chime, Koshi chime. Just allowing the frequencies to wash over your body and through your energy field. Releasing anything that feels stuck. Maybe taking some deep breaths in through your nose and out. Maybe holding on to a few crystals while you're doing this. I'm holding on to a Sedona red rock, a copper, and a bronzite. But even without those crystals, allowing this tone to just wash through and help you feel settled, peaceful, solid on the earth, and able to move more freely throughout your day. Bye for now.